Can you smell the rice? Smell the rice. Smell the rice. Smell the rice.
Smell it.
Can you smell it?
It smells nice, yeah.
Today we are making paneer fried rice. It is a really tasty dish, very well balanced, very flavorful. The last time I cooked, I gave it away to a friend. My partner really liked it and he was a bit disappointed that I gave everything away. So I'm making it for him today.
It makes it sound like an idiot.
You were not happy.
Yeah.
It's an easy dish, hardly 30 minutes job. The ingredients are paneer, carrots, long green beans, peas, cashews, raisins, sugar, salt, pepper, and some whole spices. I'll use some bay leaves, some cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Oh, I forgot the main ingredient, rice. I just wash the rice like 3 times minimum till the water runs clear. Right, now we put the rice to cook. What I do is like I check the rice frequently, and when it is about 90% done, I drain the water and I let it just sit and cook a bit in the steam. To make the rice aromatic, you can put a stick of cinnamon and the bay leaf. Now we move to our table to do all the chopping and cutting. Let's cut the paneer into small cubes. So I've marinated the paneer with turmeric powder, salt, and I add a little bit of sugar to give it a nice sweet taste. This is optional, you can use sugar or not, but yeah, I just do it because I like it that way. Now we chop the vegetables into really small pieces. You can check the rice, it's almost done. I'll now take it off the fire. Can you smell the rice? Smell the rice. Smell the rice. Smell the rice.
Smell it.
Can you smell it?
It smells nice, yeah.
That's our rice done. We now let it sit and drain the excess water. Let's take it to the kitchen and start cooking. More oil in the pan. In the oil, I added a little bit of ghee from our cheese. It's really good. We add the whole spices, cinnamon, bay leaf, our cardamom and cloves. To this, we now add our chopped carrot. Slowly. You don't want to overcook them because you lose the crunch. This is like my favorite color combination. Orange and green. It's like Indian flag. Now add white. We'll add cashew. I'm going to add the peas. Looking good. It's all about assembling the vegetables and the ingredients now. That's it. And then rice. That's it. I'm adding a bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. Now we add the paneer, a bit of black pepper. Now we just need to add the rice. Don't have to add all of this, but I'm adding little by little. If the rice was cooked last night, it's best. You can use your leftover rice from previous day to cook paneer fried rice or any sort of fried rice. Add salt or sugar as you need. So that's our paneer fried rice done.